Today I am going to show you the easiest way to write a Raspberry Pi image to an SD card using Linux. I'll be using Raspberry Pi OS, formerly known as Raspbian, but the process is exactly the same for most Raspberry Pi operating system images. First, download the operating system image from the Raspberry Pi website. Most images are provided as img.xz files, which are easy to work with. Now insert your SD card into your computer, either using a built-in card reader or a USB card reader adapter. Next, open the application menu and search for Disks. Launch the Disks utility. In the left panel, carefully select your SD card. Make sure you have chosen the correct device because the next step will erase all the existing data on the card. Click the menu button again and select Restore Disk Image. Browse to the extracted .img.xz file you downloaded earlier and select it. Click Start Restoring. Disk will ask for confirmation and may require your password to proceed. The image will now be returned to the SD card. Depending on the size of the image and the speed of your SD card, this may take a few minutes. When the process completes successfully, you can safely eject the SD card from your computer. Now remove the SD card and insert it into your Raspberry Pi. That's all there is to it. Your Raspberry Pi operating system is now ready to boot. If this tutorial helped you, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel and check out the next part of the series. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.